This video provides information on reemployment assistance fraud. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. Reemployment assistance fraud is when a claimant gives false statements to or hides relevant information from the Department of Economic Opportunity in order to obtain benefits. Claimants who appear to have committed fraud may be charged with a third-degree felony. Examples of reemployment assistance fraud include making false statements that may alter or increase benefits, withholding information that may alter or increase benefits, or failing to report work in order to obtain or increase benefits. Possible penalties include being required to repay the overpayment plus a 15% penalty, being disqualified from receiving future benefits for up to a year, being prosecuted for a charge of grand theft or a misdemeanor, which could result in jail time. Avoid committing reemployment assistance fraud by accurately reporting the reason you are unemployed, actively searching for work, reporting any wages you have earned even if you have not yet been paid for the work, reporting when you are not able or available to seek or accept work, and reporting all job refusals. Don't risk losing your benefits because you do not know your rights and responsibilities. If you have questions, contact the DEO. Visit the website linked in the description of this video below for more information. If you suspect someone has committed reemployment assistance fraud, you can report it to the Department of Economic Opportunity by going to the website linked in the description below this video, choosing Report ID Theft/Fraud, and completing the form. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you have found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.